हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू एजुकेशन एटर्निटी। आज का टॉपिक है इलेक्ट्रिक करंट एंड इट्स इफेक्ट। सो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लोज थ्रू एनी मटेरियल और सब्सटेंस विच इज अ कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। बेसिकली अब आपको कंडक्टर, इंसुलेटर, कंडक्टर और नॉन कंडक्टर्स पता होंगे। वो सब्सटेंसेस जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को अपने थ्रू पास करने दें वो हमारे कंडक्टर होते हैं, जो नहीं देते हैं उनको हम लोग नॉन कंडक्टर्स कहते हैं। तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हम लोग जनरेट कैसे करते हैं? एक बैटरी की हेल्प से। अ बैटरी इज अ डिवाइस विच जनरेट करंट बाय अ केमिकल रिएक्शन. When you must be using batteries in toys, torches and remote control, the basic unit of a battery is cell. A cell is usually contains a metal container filled with chemicals and a carbon rod. It has positive and negative terminals. When both these terminals are joined to a device through wire, the cell generates current to make device work. दूसरा होता है switch. A switch is used to open and close a circuit. Switch is also called a key. When a switch is on, it connects the two open ends of the circuit. The current flows into it. When the switch is off, the two ends of the circuit are open and the current does not flow through it. Now appliances. A current is always connected to an appliance that works with current. For example, the filament of a bulb gets heated up by the current and glows. Conducting wires. Conducting wires are used to connect different components of a circuit. These are generally copper wires with an insulated covering. Copper is a very good conductor of electricity and hence it is used for this purpose. Now, there are some circuit diagrams. A circuit diagram for cell, battery, key on and key off, wire, bulb, ammeter and voltmeter, and you should know all these circuit diagrams. So if you want, you can screenshot this and you can practice. Now, what is the effect of electric current? Many different types of devices work on electric current. A heater and a bulb produce heat and light. A fan rotates. A pump pulls water. A microwave produces waves. Electric current is used to run away a variety of gadgets. So, heating effect of current. Flow of current through a metal always produce some heat. So basically this is the heating effect. What is magnetic effect of current? When current passes through a conductor, it produces the magnetic effect, which is known as the magnetic effect of current. Now, discovery of electromagnetism. Electromagnetism was discovered by Hans Christian Ørsted. He was a professor of science and performing various experiments with electric current. He found that if compass needle was brought near a current carrying wire, the needle deflected. A straight wire carrying current acts as a weak magnet. To create a stronger magnetic force, a cylindrical coil of wire can be used. A coil of wire which acts as a magnet when current passes through it is called a solenoid. Two ends of the wire as it acts as two poles. Now, solenoid. A solenoid acts just like a bar magnet. To increase the magnetic power of a solenoid, an iron rod can be inserted to it. By increasing the now, how can you increase the strength of a solenoid? By increasing the coils in the solenoid. By inserting a rod made up of iron. Or third, by increasing the amount of current passing through the solenoid. Now, what are electromagnet? Electromagnet is made by winding insulated copper around a rod of iron or other magnetic material. When current is passed through the wire, the electromagnet shows its magnetic properties. However, as soon as the current supply is cut off, the magnetism is lost. Now, what are the uses of electromagnets? To remove iron splinters from the eyes in case of an eye injury, to separate magnetic material for recycling, to make electromagnetic door locks for security, and to make electric bell. Now, working of an electric bell. An electric bell contains a circuit in which a switch, a battery, an electromagnet, a soft iron armature connected to a spring, gong and a hammer. It works on the following way. When the current flows through the circuit, the electromagnet creates a magnetic field which attracts the soft iron armature. As the armature moves towards the electromagnet, the hammer hits the gong and sounds it produces. Then the circuit breaks, the current stops flowing and the magnetic field of the electromagnet is lost, so the armature moves back to connects to the circuit again. This cycle continues and causes repeating hitting of the hammer on the gong, produces continuous sound. That's it, students. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.